I was 15 years old. Sam, Cardoso, Caroline Vásquez probably never realized it, but what they did helped shape who I am today. See, I didn't receive allowance from my parents. I had chores, but they weren't paid. They were simply part of being a family. If I wanted money in my pocket, I had to earn it outside the home. This is where Sam and Caroline came in. They paid me $1 for every shirt that I ironed. One shirt, $1. $20 here, $10 there. Back in 1991, that was great money for a teenager. But looking back, that money wasn't the biggest lesson. I learned that if I wanted more money, I had to do more work. I learned to iron shirts exactly the way Sam liked them. I learned that quality mattered, details mattered, and that saving money mattered because no one was going to hand it to me like candy. Looking back, those dollars was my 101 class into business that taught me hard work pays, effort earns rewards. Money is something you gotta earn, not something you're entitled to. If you have a neighborhood kid helping you take out trash, pulling weeds, or washing your car, reward them. Let them experience what work can do for their own pocket. You may think you're just paying them for a simple job, but you might be actually teaching them a lesson they'll carry with them the rest of their life. Sam and Carolina, thank you. You probably never knew the impact you had on a 15-year-old kid, but I still carry those lessons with me today.